This video is going to talk about straight line depreciation. The way that straight line depreciation works is it's the same amount of depreciation for an asset every year. It's very easy to calculate. We just need to plug in some numbers to this equation and we'll find our yearly depreciation, and then every year that that asset is owned, it loses that much value every year. It's the same every year. So an example of this, or the equation, is the cost of the asset minus the residual value, what it's worth when the company is done with it, divided by the estimated useful life in years. So if we look at the example in our notes, I'm going to slide this up. The example in our notes gives us some information where we have $28,000 is the cost of this truck. And they say that the useful life will be 8 years and it will have a salvage value of $1,000. So what we want to do is basically plug those numbers into this equation. So we're going to take our cost, $28,000, minus our residual value, $1,000, divided by 8 years. And when we do that, we're going to end up with, and we just basically 28,000 minus 1,000. So we do the top first, minus 8, which would be basically 27,000 divided by 8, which gives us $3,375. This amount is the yearly depreciation. So in year one, it's going to lose $3,375. In year two, it's also going to lose $3,375. So the way that you figure this out is pretty straightforward. You can look at it as a table and just say, okay, year one, we have our depreciation of $3,375. The cumulative depreciation is $3,375, and the value, or book value, is $24,625. So all we did to get that number is we took $3,375 away from the cost, $28,000. Now year two, it's the same thing. We lose $3,375. So our cumulative is now going to be double this, or 2 times 3,375, because we have it from the year before, so 6,750. And our book value, take away 6,750 from 28,000, and we get $21,250. Now you can continue this out for year 3, 4, 5, all the way through year 8. And by the end of year 8, what you're going to end up with is a book value of $1,000, your salvage value.